I'm gonna record this just in case somebody missed it. Okay, so let me start again. We're gonna do scale factor. This is the formula for scale factor. K is equal to image over pre-image. On the coordinate plane, your A is going to be before you moved it, and your B is going to be after it's moved, the image. Okay? You okay? In this picture, the larger picture, you see this right here, this big shape is going to be A. You see in the center, this is B. This is where it moved to. So from A to B, is it a reduction or an enlargement? From A to B. This is A, this is B. Did it get bigger or did it get smaller? It got smaller. From A to B, it's smaller. So this is a reduction. It reduced in size. Number 2, from A to B, did it get smaller or did it get bigger? From A to B, it got bigger. So this is an enlargement. On number 3, did it get, slide it up, Miss Reyes. From A to B, did it get smaller or bigger? Bigger. So this is an enlargement. So now on 4, 5, and 6, I want you to tell me if it's an enlargement or a reduction. Real quickly, write those words in. Enlargement or write reduction. I'm going to walk around and check it, okay? Let me pause for the calls, though. All right, so we got a label, pre-image, and image. Just 1 point, though, okay? We're going to choose 1 point. All right, so how do we do this, Ms. Reyes? We look at our pre-image and we pick one of these vertices. Pick a vertice that does not have 0 as an ordered pair. So I'm going to choose this vertice right here. I'm going to choose this point right here because it's not an ordered pair that has a 0. What ordered pair is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So positive 6 and up. 1, 2, 3. I could have choose any of these vertices as long as you don't choose one that has 0. This is your X, this is your Y. Now you have to choose that same corner in the other one. The same corner is this one right here. Do you see how these are the same, in the same position? You have to choose 2 points, one from each shape that's in the same or similar position. Now let's write this ordered pair. We have 1, 2, positive 2, and up 1. This is X, this is Y. Okay. Any questions about what I did? All right. Yes, baby? You know it? What's the factor here? Okay, good. It is. All right, so we can choose either X or Y. I'm going to choose the X's, okay? And now I'm going to use my formula, image over pre-image. So for K, which one of these numbers is the image? 6 or 2? 2. Which one of these numbers is the pre-image? 6. Now we reduce the fraction. So what's this fraction reduce? Anybody know how to reduce it? What do you divide both the top and the bottom by? It's going to be, what do you divide it by? 2. So what does that give me on the top? Say it louder. I think you said it, 1. And what about the bottom? 3. I faintly heard somebody say it. So instead of 3, it's really what? 1/3. Because it's a reduction, the number has to be smaller than 1 anyway. You was close, baby. You really were. I knew what you were saying. Please write this down. Nia, write this down, baby. All right. Let's do number 2. Let's do pre-image and then image. I want you to choose a point, y'all. Let's choose a point together. Okay? Which one of these points do you want to choose? Do you want to choose the one up the top? Do we want, we got to do A. Do you want to do this one? Do you want to do this one? This one? Which one? Top? Side? Which one? All right, we're going to choose the one on the top. Somebody said top. So this is 0, 1, 2. Tamir, take your headphones out, please. Not even supposed to have headphones. All right, image. This is my pre-image. Same location. This is my image. What ordered pair is this one? No. What ordered pair is this one? 0, 3. This is X, this is Y. This is X, this is Y. So now we're going to do K again. We can't use 0. We can't use X because you cannot use 0. So we don't have a choice but to use the Y's. Looking at the formula, what do we put on the top? Do we put 2 or 3? What do we put on the bottom? 2. 3 over 2, we can keep it as our answer. 3 over 2, or we can write it as a decimal. What's the decimal for 3 divided by 2? You got a calculator? 1.5. Very good, baby. Please write. All right. Anybody still copying? What you need, baby? You okay? All right. Number 3. Pre-image. Image. Do you want to use the top corner? Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Thank you for telling me. You want to use the bottom right? You can use the bottom right. This is our pre-image A. This ordered pair. Start at the origin right here. We're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that's -3. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. -12. Choose that same corner on the image. We went over to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. -4 and -16. This is X, this is Y. Tamir, write this down, baby. Josh, write this down, sweetheart. K.
-3 and -4.
So we're using the X's. We got image on the top, pre-image on the bottom. Which one of those numbers is the image? -4. Which one's the pre-image? -3. Let's reduce it. What's a negative divided by a negative? A positive. So this is going to be +4 over 3. Or we can write it as a decimal. Let's keep it as a fraction. Be all right. I want you to do 4, 5, and 6 on your own, and we're going to put this in our notebook.